RepairSolutionPRO provides solutions sourced from thousands of ASE-certified technicians who have experienced the same issue you're encountering. This diagnostic information is provided to you here. While the fix for DTC solves most cases, these do not always solve every diagnostic situation. When this occurs, select No to enter your own solution. Your experience and expertise matter. And don't forget to give us a yes if the provided fix solves your problem. In instances where RepairSolutionsPRO does not provide a fix for a mill DTC, should you possess a fix for this vehicle's DTC? You can help contribute by selecting the Yes, I have a fix button and select the option in the Fix text box on the What Fixed the Car page. Together, we're improving the accuracy of fixes based on real-world practice. Thank you for your submission.